What's up guys, today on Rebels Off-Road I got the Kemimoto Tablet mount for the Kawasaki KRX.
Very nice, very nice.
We're gonna be doing an unboxing, installation, and a little bit of a review on this, as well as testing out this product, showing some of the features of it. So stay tuned, smash that like, and subscribe for more great content, and we're gonna get right into this video. Alright, so you're gonna go ahead and open this box up and check out the tablet mount, show you the features of it, and go ahead and get it installed. So, got some bubble wrap around this box. It's a double box there. Open this up. Super excited about this product. Need something to attach my tablet to when we're up on the trails. It's easy to get lost up here on some of the Virginia and West Virginia trails, and having access to maps is really important. Okay, so you can see that. Got looks like a foam weather strip taped in this bag. Got a couple push pins taped it to the flap of the box. That's kind of cool. Leather stripping and push pins. Got some instructions. Sweet. And then this is the tablet mount. Bag. Sweet. Got some double-sided adhesive there. Yeah, plastic foam backer there to help secure the tablet. All right. That is what comes with it. Okay, so I got it all unboxed and everything, but there is one thing that's bothering me right now. Where's my f***ing sticker?
Hey, where that, man?
Damn it, it's not in here.
All right, so we're gonna go take the tablet mount and get it installed on the machine. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and then we're gonna give a little review on this mount. Put the tablet in, check it out, see if there's any glare or if it's really secure or not. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna do that right now. So you only need a few tools for this install. You need a drill with a 5/16 drill bit. You need some push pin pliers. You need a flat blade screwdriver. And then an optional thing is some clear silicone waterproof sealant. First step is you're gonna take off this lid, and basically you're just gonna pry up with your flat blade screwdriver, and it should just pop right off. You wanna do that in the closed position, so it will just pop like that. Pop like that, and then you can go ahead and remove this. Next step is we're going to remove these two push pins. We got our push pin pliers here to do that, and it should make pretty quick work of it. Now you want to clean up all this surface, and also you can clean out this box as well if it's dirty. This is a perfect opportunity. However, we got to clean off this surface real good so that the box will seal on there. So just wipe that down really good, and then you can also clean out the inside of your box because mine's pretty dirty.
That's what she said.
So I just used a wet wipe, and then I'm gonna further clean it by wiping it off with a paper towel. So the next step is to pull off the double-sided adhesive backing paper off of the box. This is what's gonna help seal up the box and help secure it a little bit. So and then just pull off all this red backing paper. Alright, so I got the weather strip backing paper off, and this is not necessary, but I have this waterproof sealant. This is like a silicone transparent sealant, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on all the areas that the weather stripping is not in. So I'm gonna start right here and just gonna put a little dab of it all the way over to there. Now this is, like I said, this isn't necessary. However, it's just a little bit extra waterproofing. I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. And it'll just adhere even better. Don't want to use too much either, but take the box and line up the holes back here and press it firmly into place. There we go. And then take our push pins, reinstall these rear push pins. There we go. Smoothing out that silicone as it squished out. So get a very nice even seal on there. And then we're gonna drop this. So if you look down here, there's already a hole in the box right there and right there. However, we need to take and drill through the plastic underneath it, and you don't want to go too far. This is a 5/16 hole or 8mm, the drill bit that you want to use. So you just want to stop right when it goes through the first layer of plastic and then go into layer. And same thing for this one. You don't want to drill down any further. Clear out the plastic in that area and then install your 2 new push pins right in there. The other spot we're gonna add push pins are right here. There's a little mark, a little divot there that marks the spot on both sides. So we're just gonna go ahead and drill that out as well. And once again, you're gonna try to not go too deep with it, right through the plastic there. And this will help secure it and also will help prevent any sealing issues. And we'll do the same thing on this side. All right, so it is now all installed. It looks really nice. About to show you some of the features of it and explain why I went with this option and just kind of what the benefits of it are over some of the other tablet mounts. So the first thing that sets it apart from some of the other mounts is all the storage space inside here. Like, just look at this, all right? I can put a spare GoPro with a little hand holder. I can take a gimbal and put that in there as well. I can take extra batteries for a GoPro. You know, I can bring even more extra batteries with charger. I can put my phone in here. You know, I can put my keys in here. You know, you still even have more room in there to put additional stuff and close it up. It's water resistant. You know, if rain comes down on this, it's not going to immediately go inside. It's going to run off because it has that weather seal on it. Then you can also have your tablet, and it fits a bunch of different tablet sizes and phone sizes. I'm going to show you that next. But the storage is one of the main things that sets this apart from some of the other mounting options, because this is a lot of really great easy access storage that you can access with your tablet still attached or your phone still attached. And you know, you don't get that with a lot of the options. So next I wanted to show you how you mount up the different devices that you might want to hold on here. And so basically you loosen this up and then this part is able to adjust in and out. So then you can set up like your phone here and adjust it to the height that you need for your phone and then clamp it down utilizing this knob here. And so you just would tighten that right up and then your phone is mounted and you know, it looks nice. You know, I got this for a tablet mount, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that, but it will work for your phone. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I mount up my Samsung Galaxy, I believe this is a Tab A. I'll put a link down in the description of what tablet this is, but it's a decent tablet for the price. I also have this nice case for it that I'll also provide a link down in the description. And this case works perfectly with this mount. I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. Slide it in and then tighten this down. And like I said before, we're just gonna screw that.
Phrasing.
Obviously.
And there you have it. Gonna go ahead and turn on my device. And this is my startup screen. I have a custom app. I'll probably make a video about this later. I got the idea from a user on one of the forums, but you know, look at that. Looks super, super nice. It's secure, you know, not going anywhere. This mount clips right in between the rubber on the case. So that case works out really nicely for this particular mount. And then, like I mentioned before, you can open it up, access all of your gear without having to remove the tablet at all. It just looks super, super nice. Another cool thing is you can charge your tablet while in the mount there, and you can use the accessory port here that is provided by Kawasaki, and it's a nice little short length to the tablet. I'm probably actually going to end up getting a smaller cord because of how nice and short of a distance that is. Don't want to get anything caught up on it. You can still access your volume up and volume down buttons, as well as your power button on your tablet as well. Really nice how they have this mount set up so that you can access all of the features of your device. So if you already have a tablet, I know what you're wondering: what size tablet does this fit? And I'm about to show you exactly what the dimensions are in the maximum setting, so you know if your tablet will work. So that is the maximum setting there, and you're gonna wanna put it a little bit smaller to have that tension, but let's see what this dimension is. You can see it would fit a maximum of an 8-inch width mounted in the position that I had. Or, you could possibly mount a smaller tablet in this orientation here. And then we'll also go ahead and show the distance between these tabs here for perspective. And you can see it's about 5¼ inches between the maximum edges of these lower tabs here. Distance between them is about 2 inches. So that should give you the dimensions that you need to know if your device will work on this tablet holder. However, I'm really happy with this tablet holder for my Samsung device. So I also wanted to comment on the glare. It's not very bad. I mean, with any mount, really, there's gonna be some glare unless you mount it like directly in front of you where there's no light passing against the sides. There's going to be a little bit of glare. However, I don't have an issue seeing any of this, and so I open up our map and I can clearly see those trails. I can clearly see the lines and everything like that from the driver's position. It might not show up in the video, but it is able to see it with the brightness turned up, of course. All right, so we got our tablet installed. Gonna test it out, see how it does. It is actually snowing though right now, so it's a little bit cold. We're gonna go up a couple little hills and stuff around the property and see how the tablet holds up though. Obviously, it stayed in place really nicely. We hit those bumps pretty hard, and it is definitely still secured. It's still not going anywhere. I can still see the screen, and everything is good. Really enjoy this mount. Solid. It's not going to move. I think you could probably flip this side by side multiple times, and that would not go anywhere. Now this tablet holder retails for about 86 bucks before the exclusive discount code I provide you down in the description, so you can check it out. That's pretty good considering that most mounts are around that price range and they don't include the extra storage that this mount does and a lot of these great features that this mount does. I have a lot of Kemimoto products on my machine, and this has got to be one of my favorite ones by far. It really is packed full of a lot of useful features, the storage, the niceness of how the mount works with my tablet, and also the access to all of the buttons and stuff like that. So it's got to be one of my favorite Kemimoto mods so far. So I provided links down in the description of all the products that we talked about in today's video, so you can check those out. We also have a ton more great videos coming up. I've actually linked one right here that you can check out right now. So go ahead and do that. If you liked the video, go ahead and do us a favor and smash that like button. Leave us a comment on what you liked and what you would like to see in the next videos. It really takes a lot of effort to make videos like this, so you subscribing lets us know that you appreciate the content and we will continue making it. So go ahead and subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, thank you, and we will see you next time.